Today I'm going to show you how to create a lesson using the match feature in Lessons Online. We're going to click on the plus button and we're going to find match, and you're going to give your lesson a name. I'm going to say computer parts, and if I want I can click on lesson information and type a description matching the part with the function. And then I'm going to go back to manage content, and here is where I create my content. And I'm going to add one, and this is just going to be, I'm going to say something like screen. Sorry, monitor. And I'm going to match that up with screen. And then if I want to add more content, I'll click the add button. And I'm going to say mouse and click on items. I'll create one more. That's the keyboard. And I'm going to say used for typing numbers and letters. And now I'm going to go over to this side where it's going to allow me to add in, it's going to allow me to change the background and the style. So for instance, I can change the color of the writing that's in each of those, and you can see how they're paired up right there. I'm going to change the size of the font. I'm going to maybe change the type of the font if that's what I feel like. And if I want to, I can change my theme to look different. I don't really like the blueprint. Wow, some of these, as you can see, are really busy, so you're going to want to be careful about the kind of background you decide to choose to make sure that it's clear for your students to see. And then if you wanted to give it a background picture, you could just download it this way, or you could use this to browse for a picture that you'd like. I'm going to keep this on randomized because then it will change the answer every time. If you want, you can add a timer and tell the kids you've got to be able to do it in 10 seconds. And now I'm going to test it out by clicking play. And I use the mouse to click on items. I use the keyboard for this, and the monitor is the same as the screen. And you can see that's what your kids would be practicing. That's it. That's how you create it. It automatically saves. If you click on those 3 bars there, you can go back to my lessons, and as you scroll down, you can see that your lesson was saved. Have a great day.